Wahoo!
Banana.
Nana. Pookie! I don't like the way he's looking at me. Okay. Just stay calm.
Ah, seeds. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Squawk. Crunch, crunch. What the?
Keep running, you little imbeciles!
Banana! Watch out! They are everywhere!
Papayita! Papaya! Yes, shake your feathers, Bob.
I have heard you are the most magnificent creature in this palace.
Wow! Awesome!
We come seeking your assistance, O Bird King.
I challenge you. Only the bravest may cross this rope.
Woohoo!
I volunteer.
Oof. Whoa. Eh?
Oh! Banana.
Bah. Oh no!
Wah!
Baba.
Hold on, everyone.
Ah! Yep, keep flying forward.
Okay, fine.
Woohoo!
Look ahead.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, here we go!
Oh, hey there. Look what I have for you. Ah, perfect.
Hey, boss!
Banana.
All right, it's asleep. Get the eggs, quick!
Okay, boss. Oh, no.
Whoa!
Oh no!
Oh no! Whoa! Whoa!
Yeah!
Hello?
Escree! Wah! Wah!
Keep running! Faster!
Banana!
Oh no, Baba. He's open!
Got it.
Yes!
Well, don't just stand there. Uh-oh.
Apple?
Honestly. Okay, minions, you know the plan. Quick, the bridge.
Ahoy!
Yippee!
Careful with it, you idiots.
All right, team, this egg holds the key to everything.
Banana!
Whoa! AHGO! Whoa!
Papoy!
Banana!
Yes! Perfection!
Okay, here we go!
Banana!
Whoa!
Squish. Ugh, disgusting.
The mother ostrich!
She's here!
Run! Accelerate! We have to get out of this dump!
The plan was ready. Mostly.
Stay absolutely silent. Whoop! Excellent!
The gum gun worked perfectly! Sticky! Gelato!
This way. Move it. Banana power!
No!
Stuart, your belly!
Ah! Oh, you idiot!
Run for your lives! The alarm blares!
Woohoo!
Banana!
Woohoo! Yeah! down, you two!
Poo poo pa poo.
Minions, what are you doing?
Oops, that wasn't supposed to happen.
Whoa! Woo! Yay!
Eat your cereal.
Meow meow.
Look!
Giggle.
Wow!
Oh no. Bidoo.
Stop! Stop that! My gadgets!
Oh, come on, oh, come on. Ah.
All right, time to make some minions.
Yoo-hoo! Banana!
I got one! Now to get the others! Yay!
Papa, catch me, catch me.
Open up for some yummy antidote, Kevin.
What?
Just one sip. Come on, Kevin.
Bah.
Oh, seriously? Don't make me get the shrink ray.
All right, you little maniacs. Time for your medicine.
What?
Boss!
Look at us! Minions, what have you done this time?
Baboy.
Banana.
Sigh. Bello.
I feel a sneeze coming on. Ah, Chicho!
Banana. Kiki. Help. No. No. Help.
The super flamethrower.
Papaya.
Not now, you little yellow troublemaker!
Woohoo.
Excellent. Pipes, tanks, and the perfect final touch. Banana!
Banana.
Whoop whoop!
Ah, yes. My latest creation. Behold, the weapon of ultimate mischief.
Yes!
Banana!
Poo poo poo.
Ba! Ba! Ga! Yeah! Oh no! Excellent work!
La cucaracha, la cucaracha.
Ah, hot, 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 hot! Whoa! Ouch! Yow! What? No! Oh no! The ice! Ah, banana! Watch out! Boss! Bob! Help! Well, that didn't go as planned.
Huh?
Ah, look at what you did!
Bold.
This is your fault!
Achoo.
Eh?
Oh.
Mm-hmm. Not again! Banana! Grumble, grumble! I've got everything under control! Help! Gru!
Hey, Gru!
Minions, move that rock!
Bob! Yay! Yay!
Kevin!
Okay, Stuart, let's go!
With this, Kevin, we shall retrieve it. Oh,
Pop boy?
Behold,
Woo! Woo!
precisely.
help!
Boy!
It's moving! Keep going! Remarkable!
Oh no!
Not the stone!
Watch out! No! Whoa!
Help!
Hurry up, you little jelly beans! Pull harder!
Banana.
I'm coming out! Yay! Achoo! Whoa! Whoa! Look out! Look out! use a snack after that rescue. Ooh.
Cookies.
Right. Oh, yeah. Oh, not again. Oh, no.
Look at him.
Not the pajamas. Selfie. Stop that. I said stop.
The treasure is ours. Nothing can stop us now.
Banana! Let's go! Yeah! Whoa! Woohoo!
Oh.
Yeah! Pull harder, you buffoons! Higher, you idiots! Stop staring! Now! Get down from there! Almost done?
Huh? No.
Not almost done.
Woohoo!
Help!
Banana! Yahoo!
Yahoo! Banana! Banana!
Woohoo! Look at that! We're here! Amazing!
Ooh. Wow!
Oh boy!
Stuart, put it in! Okay. Whoa! What was that? Oh, Mama! Are you alright? Perfect! Oops! Whoa! Oh boy!
The whole place is falling apart! We need to go!
Uh-oh! Not good! Not good! Let's build a tree house instead!
Banana!
All right, you imbeciles, let's get this banana-shaped marvel off the ground.
Move it!
Banana!
All right, Kevin. Bolt 6 needs adjusting.
Puyana! Ha! Ha! Puya! Oh boy! Hark! My thumb! What did you do? Look out! Bob, no! Whoa! Fire! Ooh, banana!
Ooh! Ooh!
Proceed with the mission! Let's go! Hold on tight! Banana! Floop, floop!
Well, let's see how this goes!
Bleh!
Woohoo!
No! Oh man, I told you!
Yeah! Yay! Fly away!
Keep it steady! Look ahead!
Yay! Woohoo!
Oh no! Ah! We're going down!
Woohoo!
What? Ah! Ooh! Ooh!
Kevin fixes the smoking engine using rolls of silver duct tape. The engine ignites with double the power.
Ah! What? No! We're going too fast! Ah! No! This isn't how it's supposed to work! Hold on!
Bobo!
Bob! I told you that wasn't a toy!
Papa!
Oh, for the love of this chute is me! Ha! Finally! Yay! Ice cream!